Today we are going to be fixing a light on a GMC Yukon Denali, and as you can see, this one's out and this light is on, and I'm going to show you. It's so easy that even I can do it. Okay, so this is the light that it is being held in 3 different screws. So the first screw is this one that you're going to take out. It's a 10mm screw, and then there's one right here that you're going to take out. And then if you come down here, there's 2 screws holding it up there, and then 1 screw back behind. But in order to get to that, we're going to need to take out this screw and this screw, and then these are just clips that you're just going to unclip. Okay, so we're going to unscrew those. And then we're going to get this one. Oops. Okay, now we are going to get the ones down here. And then this one. Okay, so now we are going to pop the clips out. So what you're going to want to do is the first part you're going to want to kind of pull out, and then you're going to want to do the back, as you can see up here. So you want to do the first and then the back so it doesn't break it. And so I'm going to do this one up here. Kind of. And I'm just using a flathead to just pop this out, and then I'm going to come back here and alright, so you're just gonna put your thumb right here and then just pop it out. It's gonna look like this. And then we can come down to this one and pop this out, and then this one's out. Alright, kind of pry this open, and if you look at this right here, this is the screw. You just need to loosen it. You don't need to take it all the way out. And it's already loosened. Okay, so now that that screw's loosened and these are out, so we're gonna just unscrew these couple across the front. This one, and these 2. Just so this thing is looser so we can pop it out. So. So now once we have all this out, all the screws out, we're going to, so there's a clip, there's like a thing just like this. It's not really a clip, it just kind of holds it in place. So there's one right here, and there might be one down here. And so you might need another person for this next part. And so what they're gonna do is they're gonna stick their hand down in this, right there. And then, the reason they have to do that is because there's like a clip down there. And so or they can also like help undo the clip and push it out. So then after that, you're just gonna pull it right out. Just kind of straight out. So this is the clip right here, down there that so that he pushed out. And so when you're done and you're going to put one back in, you're just going to push that back in and clip it back on. Okay, so after you kind of pulled it out, you're not going to pull it out all the way because there's still a cord attached to it. So what you're going to do is this like little knob thing right here. You're going to twist this and pull out, and then this is the light to the thing. So, and you can see it's black, so it needs to be replaced. And so now what we're going to do is kind of hold right here and then this thing right here, just kind of pull it off, and then this is the light right here that you're going to need to replace. Alright, so on this it shows the number, so it shows H13908, so it's down here. So this one right here it says H13908, so this is the one that we want to get. And okay, so I got the replacement one back here, so I'm going to open it. Okay, so after you do it, before you take it out, you have to be very careful, because if you touch the light bulb with your bare hand, it could crack or shatter, or it will burn out way faster. So I put on gloves for this part, and so I'm gonna kind of grab it down here, and still try not to hit it there. Okay, so I'm going to plug it back in. Okay, and now since I have it plugged in, I'm going to put it back in. And then we're going to tighten it back on. So then you have your new light replaced into the headlight. Okay, so now before I put everything back in, I'm just going to make sure I test the light so everything runs smoothly, so you don't have to take it apart. Yep, and it looks like it's on, so we're ready to put it back in. So now I am going to put it back in. So if you look at this right here, this little thing is going to go into this metal circle, and then there's going to be this one down here that will go into this, and then this clip right here, it's like a little piece of plastic, is going to clip into there. And okay, so what you're going to want to do is make sure that this thing right here is lined up under this corner. So I'm going to put that right here, so it's kind of in, and then we're going to want this under the plastic, so we're kind of going to push it into there, and then we're going to make sure that that piece down there is in that circle, and this one is too, and then we're going to make sure the clip is in, if you show them. Alright, it's clipped in, and now let's tie it with the screws, so all I have to do is just tighten the screws. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the back in. So make sure this is lined up. So if you get this thing right here and push it down, then this thing will go a little tighter. So now that those are all nice and tight in, then you're done. So now I'm just gonna go turn it on. Look, so easy, even I can do it.